My name is Dinaksha Hemachandra, and I'm a contract manager for DM Roads, the maintenance division of Downer. I've been with the company for 10 years. We maintain the road network for our customers. We're a close team of around 36 employees. What makes a great team is a supportive environment and being there for each other and having each other's back. We stand for each other, we look out for each other, and we ensure that everyone is safe and return back to their families in one piece. What I love about our team is we always watch out for each other and share our workloads so that we all get home safe at a reasonable hour. The main thing about Downer, it is a very supportive environment, whether it's from the top or the bottom. Everyone's there to support each other and achieve the outcomes for our clients. Safety is critical for us. I'm never happy with what I do. I always check it. I apply the STAR process, which we apply for safety. Safety to me is about everyone looking out for each other and making sure that everyone is doing the right thing so they can return back to their families at the end of the day. We always celebrate success in our team, and being connected to each person and approaching each person and seeing how they're going is critical for me and important for me because it builds a good relationship with the employees. Having each other's back is important because it builds trust in the team, and having a trusting environment gives every employee the opportunity to shine.